Okay, look at this. A fully designed professional website with animations, a contact form, a booking system, and a payment page. Beautiful, right? Now what if I told you I built this in under 5 minutes? No coding, no hiring a designer, no Figma mockups, just me, a one-line idea, and an AI. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's dive in. So the tool I'm using is called B12, and it's honestly one of the most impressive AI website builders I've come across. Here's the deal. You type in a short description of what you want, your business, your vibe, your style, and B12's AI generates a complete launch-ready website around that idea, like a real website, not a template you have to gut and rebuild from scratch. And the best part? It's completely free to build. No credit card required to get started. You only pay when you're ready to go live. So whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, a creative, or just someone who needs a website, this is genuinely worth your next 5 minutes. Okay, this is the B12 homepage. You will find the link in the description. Once you are on this page, you can enter your prompt here in this box. However, at the bottom, you will find several demos or templates of pre-built websites. You can preview them or remix any website. I will build a website from scratch. So, I will enter a prompt in the prompt box. I am typing, create a photography portfolio with a dark theme and smooth text animations. That's it. That's my entire brief. Now let's hit the send button. Now we have to log into the account. If you are new, you have to create a new account. Once you are logged in, you have to select the website. I already have a website. For this one, I will create a new website. And here it is. You can see that the B12 agent already took the charges. You can see the live progress here. Now it's setting up Tailwind theme colors and design tokens. Once done, it will set the header, footer, and then create all content for our website. It will take some time. And here it is. All the process is done. And here is our webpage. It's actually thinking about what a photography portfolio should look and feel like. Look at that dark background, the clean typography, the hero section, the gallery layout, and the about section. It even added a professional contact form at the bottom of the page. I didn't design any of this. I just described what I wanted. Okay, I'm already impressed. But here's where it gets even better. We can actually customize the web page with the B12 agent. Let's say I want to add a new page for blog posts and add some posts on it. So I am typing, add a new page for blog posts and suggest some blog posts. And then hitting the send button. Now the agent will create the page and the blog posts. And here you can see that, a new tab called Blog added at the top navigation bar. Once I click here, it will redirect me to the blog page. Can see that B12 agent already created 5 posts for me, and all of them related to the portfolio. Now, if you click on any post, you will be able to see the details. It wrote detailed posts for the subject. So, B12 is not just a design tool, it can write perfect blog posts for you. I am really amazed with the result. In this method, you can create pages and content for all the pages. Now let's say I want to customize the design or color. I am typing, change the color scheme to a blue gradient, and then hitting the send button. See how it just flows? It doesn't break the layout. It doesn't mess up the fonts. It just updates intelligently. Now, if you think the previous version was better than this, you can always go back. Just go to the Agent tab, select the version you want to restore, and click on the Restore button. And here it is, we are done. Now, if you want to get hands-on, you totally can. You can change the layout, swap out sections, tweak the content, add animations, all without touching a single line of code. It's as easy as clicking, typing, and dragging. Honestly feels like editing a Google Doc, but for your website. Okay, so here's what really sets B12 apart from other website builders. It's not just about how the site looks, it's about what the site can actually do for your business. Let me show you what's built right in. Client intake forms. So when someone lands on your site and wants to work with you, they fill this out. You get all their info, organized, right in your dashboard. No third-party form tool needed. Online scheduling. Clients can book a call or appointment directly from your website. It syncs with your calendar. No back and forth emails. No, what time works for you? Just pick a slot. Done. Payments and invoicing. You can send invoices and actually get paid through your website. No need for a separate PayPal link or a Stripe integration you have to set up yourself. Contracts and e-signatures. Send a contract, get it signed digitally, keep it on record, all inside B12. Everything in one platform. No juggling 5 different subscriptions, no copy pasting between tools. It's all here. Let me put this in perspective for you real quick. The old way of building a website, you'd spend weeks going back and forth with a designer. You'd pay anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 for a custom build, and that's if you're lucky. Then you'd wait and revise And wait some more. With B12, you type one sentence. You have a full website in minutes. You can launch today. And the cost? A fraction of what you'd pay an agency. Same result, completely different experience. And this works for basically any kind of website you can think of. A financial dashboard with dynamic charts and data, built with B12. A service business with a booking system and payment page, built with B12. A creative portfolio with smooth animations and a gallery, built with B12. An online store with product pages and checkout, built with B12. Whatever your idea is, B12 can bring it to life. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the link in my description and just try it. Type in your idea. See what B12 builds for you. It takes literally 30 seconds to get started, and again, it's free to build. And when you are ready to publish, you just have to click on the publish button. Your website will be published within a few seconds with a subdomain. However, if you want to add a custom domain, you need to upgrade your plan to website plan for $49 per month. It will give you free custom domain, 200 AI credits, launch up to 20 websites, remove B12 ads, traffic analytics and reporting, email and chat support, and more. I genuinely think this is one of those tools that makes you go, why didn't this exist sooner? So go build something. I'd love to see what you create. Drop it in the comments if you do. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tools and tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.